Kamusta mga balibulista? Winalis ng NLEX-led Chameleons ang Farm Fresh 25-17, 25-17, 25-18. Tinanghal na best player of the game si Rachel Horvina sa likod ng kanyang 20 excellent digs. Nag-ambag naman si Macaslang ng 9 points, Permentella 9 points, Laure 8 points, Almonte 8 points, Ebon 7 points, Luna Lumahan 5 points, De Los Reyes 5 points, Atienza 5 points, Maraginot 2 points, Esguera 1 point, Mangulabnan 1 point. Para naman sa natalong Farm Fresh, nagtala si Abellana ng 10 points, Daques 9 points, Viray 5 points, Tagsip 5 points, Eldefonso 2 points, Bertolano 1 point, Casilag 1 point, Gonzales 1 point. Kung bago ka pa lamang sa channel na to, mag-like na at subscribe. Pasok sa quarterfinals ang Zeus Thunderbirds matapos pataubin ng Capital One Solar Spikers 25-22, 25-17, 18-25, 25-17. Tinanghal na best player of the game si Cloan Mondinedo sa likod ng kanyang 6 points, 5 attacks, 1 ace, 7 digs, 24 excellent sets. Nagtala si Troncoso ng 15 points, Gagati 13 points, Arroyo 9 points, Santiago 8 points, Gonzaga 8 points, Pascual 7 points, Michelle Gamit 5 points, Naret 5 points. Para naman sa natalong Capital One Solar Spikers, nagtala si Apac ng 17 points, Cruz 13 points, Alvarez 10 points, Orindaen 10 points, Niegos 4 points, Clemente Di Guzman 4 points, Estrella 2 points, Genesis 1 point, Tolinada 1 point, Makatuno 1 point, Ginoo 1 point. Kung umabot ka dito sa video na to, mag-like na at subscribe. Heto ang team standings ng play-in tournament as of March 13, 2025. Sa Group A, Zeus Thunderbirds 2 win 0 loss 5 points. Signal HD Spikers 1 win 1 loss 4 points. Capital One Solar Spikers 0 win 2 losses 0 point. Sa Group B naman, Cherry Tigo Crossovers 2 win 0 loss 6 points. NLEX-led Chameleons 1 win 1 loss 3 points. Farm Fresh 0 win 2 losses 0 point. Kung umabot ka dito sa bahagi ng video na to, mag-like na at subscribe. Heto naman ang quarterfinals bracket best of 3 series. Maglalaban ang Creamline Coal Smashers at Cherry Tigo Crossovers, PLDT High Speed Hitters at Chocomocho Flying Titans, Petrogas Angels at Zeus Thunderbirds, Galleries Tower High Risers at Akari Chargers. Heto ang mga laro ngayong March 15, 2025 na gaganapin sa PhilSports Arena para sa quarterfinals. Maghaharap ang Galleries Tower High Risers at Akari Chargers alas 4 ng hapon. Maglalaban naman ang PLDT High Speed Hitters at Chocomocho Flying Titans alas 6:30 ng gabi. Kung nagustuhan mo ang video na to, mag-like na at subscribe.